get set, go.
Hi, my name is Shaelynn, and I'm with Outdoor Adventure Leadership Major here at USU. Today I'll be demonstrating how to administer an Epi-Pen. As a reminder, this is not a certification, and this is only for information. The important thing to remember with an Epi-Pen, it is a life-saving tool, but it can be dangerous if used incorrectly. So, to start, how to administer an Epi-Pen. An Epi-Pen has two sides, an orange side and a blue side. The orange side is the needle side. That's the part you'll stick into the leg. The blue side is the safety. When administering an Epi-Pen, you'll hold it around the middle just like this. You don't want your thumb on either side. You'll take off the safety and then insert the orange side into the leg for 3 seconds. You want to push hardly, but do not stab. So you'll push, it'll click, you'll hold it there for 3 seconds, and then take it out. The needle will then retract into the Epi-Pen and it'll be safe to use. Don't forget to put the safety back on the end just to keep everything nice and cleaned up. When knowing how to administer an Epi-Pen, you want to be looking for full body symptoms. So either gastric issues or hives, anything on the skin, swelling, or a hard time breathing. These are for first timers. You also want to look for people that have known issues with going into anaphylaxis. You can learn more by taking the Wilderness First Aid class here at Utah State. This is this booklet that they use, and it teaches you all about how to administer an Epi-Pen. It's been great working with you today. And again, I'm Shaelynn with USU's Outdoor Adventure Leadership Major. See you next time.